Hey, trading family, Kris here, and we are looking at Tesla. And still, I am sort of going back to our original thesis, right? And we had the levels of if this marker, if we're below here, we're going to be pushing down, as that is a level. Now we are testing a little bit in this matter here. So, like I said, I would, in my level, in my thought process, um, nothing has really changed too much. I'm still looking at a 358 level for Tesla to keep pushing down a little bit further south. However, if for whatever reason the market starts getting finicky with us and pushing back, which it always can. So right now, currently, the biggest level. So what I've noticed here is one thing. So let's just look at price action on this moment here, right? So we got a lower low, lower high, right? Lower low, lower high, lower low, boom, higher high. This could possibly signify a change in direction. Just be careful. When I see moments like this, it's like a red flag. Hey, let's look at this a little bit in detail because this market could potentially. So I wanted to at least bring that to your attention, because if we don't break this low, right? If we don't close below this low, that would signify to me that we are transitioning up into the bull run for Tesla. So that is why I'm sort of, transitions are sometimes the trickiest part of trading, because that's, bullish to bearish, bearish to bullish. That's where a lot of people probably lose their money the most. Once it's in a bull run or a bear run, it's easy. You just short or you just go long. But right now, currently, the way that I could sort of see this happening is, one, what are some indicators that we could sort of look at? Well, one, this level of support here, this purple level here, this would be our high. If we break above that high, which I believe I have a alarm clock on, but I don't, but I will be putting that on in a second. And if we break above that high, then that would let us know that, hey, I think you need to look at Tesla. Currently, right now, I'm not in this market. And the reason for it is because this market can either go both ways. And so we could either drive this way up or we could drive this way down. And right now, currently, I'm undecided. And when you're undecided, you don't trade. So for me, my signal for entry would be the 439 level. If you wanted to be a little bit more aggressive with that level there, you could technically, if you wanted to, why is it there? You could technically 434. That's still quite large. So let's even go to 5 minute. Okay, so that's my problem right now. So I'll explain to you. You're like, well, what's your problem? Well, the problem that I have is that this was our high that I labeled, right? That was our low. That was our higher low. That was our low. And then we made this high here. Now, I don't know what's happening here with my highlighters. There we go. And now this level of support, it seems to be driving a level of support right here. So this is sort of where we're sort of stuck at this moment in time. Is it's indecision, really, is what I see. I'm not going to say more to it than that because that's what I'm currently seeing is it's indecision on levels of support. When I'm looking at this market for further, you mean, like I said, for me personally, if I'm really safe with this trade and really wanted to be super conservative about this trade, this to me would be my don't touch box. That's it. And if for whatever reason the market decides to break up above it, then yes, I will go long with Tesla, probably driving it up to the 500 range. If for whatever reason the market breaks down, then yes, the 360 range makes sense to me. That's as simple as the way I want to put it. You could technically get into this trade here early and put your stop loss here, right at the 413. Is that 413, and you're at 427. That's still quite high for the stop loss, but you could technically do it if that's what you wanted to do, and then you could drive this market up and see if it cracks, or you trade this market up to the 438. That is another thing that you could do with Tesla. I'm not saying you can't, but it is possible. So there's a little bit more onto this depth with Tesla for you. Put it in a box. If we do a breakout, 439, definitely 480 and above, 500s. If we, like I said, break this box below for 410, then yeah, the 358 or lower, 322 is very realistic. Any questions, let me know. If you like, comment, send them my way. Share if you feel that this is valuable. And if you want a little bit more information on wellness and how to become a more sustainable trader, DM me, more than happy, or jump over into my profile. Take care. Have a fantastic day. And we will jump over into Bitcoin. And I think Bitcoin will be where I sort of end off for today. Have an awesome day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.